Hey everyone, welcome to today's session where we are diving into some cool VFX terms. And here's a twist, I'm going to explain them all from this very chair. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about stop motion. It's one of the oldest and most charming VFX techniques. Stop motion involves taking a series of photographs of an object or character, moving it tiny a bit each time, and then playing the pictures together. The result? It looks like the object is moving on its own. Think of movies like The Nightmare Before Christmas or Coraline. They were made entirely through stop motion animation. You get this quirky, almost tangible feel with stop motion that's hard to replicate with other methods. Now, from tangible to the digital, let's talk about green screen and rotoscoping. Green screen is a technique where we shoot actors or objects in front of solid colored backgrounds, usually green. This color is then digitally replaced with any scene we want. For example, imagine I'm sitting here in front of a giant green backdrop. That green can easily be swapped out for a space station or beach or even a jungle. But here is where rotoscoping comes in. Rotoscoping is the art of tracing around me frame by frame to separate me from that background. It is how we isolate people or objects to add them to different scenes or to layer multiple visual elements together. So if I was filmed in front of a green screen, rotoscoping would help me make sure I am properly cut out from that background. Green screen and rotoscoping work together to let us film anywhere even if we are not actually there. Now let's talk about matte painting. This is a technique where artists create painted or digitally crafted backgrounds. Imagine I'm sitting here in front of a matte painted mountain range or a cityscape. These images are then integrated with live action footage, creating a seamless scene that feels real, although in reality it's all digitally created. Matte paintings are often combined with green screen and rotoscoping to build entire worlds, and that brings us to tracking. Tracking ensures that digital effects stay aligned with scenes, especially if the camera or objects are moving. Let's say I'm holding this cardboard right here. Tracking would ensure that any 3D objects like text or a digital element stays in the same spot related to the cardboard. As it moves, if I shift it and the digital elements move with it, making the whole thing look natural. And that leads us to CGI, computer generated imagery. CGI is the use of computers to create 3D models, characters and entire environments. It's how we get those massive creatures, futuristic vehicles and landscape that would be impossible to film in real life. For instance, imagine I'm sitting here and a giant 3D creature like a dragon or alien walks into the frame. Thanks to CGI, that creature can be created entirely on computer, and the VFX artist will make sure it fits perfectly into the shot, moving realistically and interactive with the scene. So there you have it. We have covered stop motion, green screen, rotoscoping, matte painting, tracking and CGI, all powerful VFX techniques that come together to make the impossible possible. But you know what? I have got a little secret to reveal. While all those techniques are real, this scene, this chair, this entire set, it's all fake. Right now I'm actually sitting in front of a green screen. Everything you have seen, the backdrop, the amazing CGI creature, the matte paintings and the even objects I have been moving around, all added in post-production. What you have seen here are a product of the VFX techniques I just explained. Everything you thought was real. It's all digital creation. Thanks to VFX Magic. So, when you are watching your favorite movies or shows, remember that what you are seeing may not always be what's really there. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time with more VFX secrets and magic. Take care, bye bye.